Hello everyone, I'm Bianca, co-founder and CEO of Edge, where we're creating a platform technology to mass produce the most authentic and affordable growth factors. Now, growth factors are proteins and hormones essential to cell growth. Up until now, they've only been used in the pharmaceutical industry, but as cells make their way into consumer goods through the industries of cultivated meat, cultivated dairy, and innovations in cosmetics, the demand for growth factors has skyrocketed. The problem is that growth factors are incredibly expensive, making between 60 to 80% of the production costs across the board. For reference, 1 milligram of TGF-beta, a popular growth factor, goes for over $5,000. The average peanut weighs 1 gram. That means in weight, a peanut is worth over $5 million in TGF-beta. Clearly, biomanufacturers need a more affordable option if they're ever going to bring their innovations to market. The reason why growth factors are so expensive are because of the methods used to make them. Precision fermentation uses microbes, and molecular farming uses plants to express these very complex animal proteins. These methods require a lot of what's called downstream processing, referring to the purification, isolation, and refolding of the proteins. The crux of our technology at Edge is that we have developed a methodology using animal cells that requires no downstream processing, therefore allowing us to save 60 to 90% of those production costs and 30% in production time. Thus, our growth factors are more affordable thanks to our lack of downstream processing and our use of non-pharmaceutical grade inputs. They're more authentic as we are providing the entirety of the biomolecules naturally expressed by animal cells rather than scrubbing them through purification, and it's easy to scale as our process is modular.
One of the biomaterials that we've developed protects the cells from the shear forces in a bioreactor, resulting in higher cell yields.
During the course of IndieBio, we've established that our animal cell factories do in fact produce growth factors at a fraction of the cost compared to competitors. Right now, with one of our first growth factors being basic FGF, we are at a cost point of $96 per milligram, and that's expected to reach $10 next year. And we've also proven that it enhances cell growth, as we've almost doubled that of animal serum. We have a lot of products on our pipeline, but our go-to-market strategy involves supplying these three to our customers with whom we will be developing partnerships. Those include recombinant bovine albumin, basic FGF, and a fibroblast conditioned media. And we are producing all three at a scale of 1 liter per day. Dermocosmetics, or the use of biology in the formulation of skincare cosmetics, is the fastest growing trend right now. We're working very closely with Accenture to build out this market, and they are linking us with some of their high-profile cosmetics clients. If we can supply growth factors to 10% of cosmetics manufacturers, our serviceable obtainable market is $885 million. We've built the perfect team to get this done. I am a Posse Foundation scholar with over 6 years of experience in product design and startups. Our CTO, Dr. Manny Tamargo, graduated from Columbia University with his PhD in tissue engineering, then worked at Helicon, a frontier biotech consulting firm, working as a director, where he was hired by investors very similar to yourselves to evaluate the technology of cultivated meat startups, where he saw firsthand the scope of this growth factor problem that we are solving. Dr. George Strategopoulos, our lead cell scientist, has been a researcher and professor at Columbia University for the past 18 years and has pioneering work in stem cell signaling. All of us at Edge know that without affordable growth factors, the potential of cells to enhance our world will never be realized. So together, let's build the infrastructure for the future of biomanufacturing. Thank you.